Hey guys, today we'll be talking about how to make a stem plot in Matplotlib. So before we go into the code, you have to have Matplotlib and NumPy installed on your system. Then after that, you can now import matplotlib.pyplot@plt and also NumPy as MP. Then I set my style I want to use to MLP gallery, or you can change it to MLP 15, which is more preferable by me. Then I made a random seed of data, and the random seed of data basically to make sure all my initializations in the mp.random are constant. Then after I initialize my x and my y, basically anything can be here, but we just want to have a stem plot. So then I now have plt.subplots giving two values of figure and axis, and axis.stem of x and y. First of all, let's see what comes out. We got an error here. I think it's cause of so our problem here was the MLP must be MPL. Then when I run this, we get that. So this is what a stem plot looks like. Back to explaining the code. We're here at this line and we see x limits, x ticks, y limit and y ticks. X limit is basically the limit of our x, which is from 0 to 8 exclusive, meaning that 8 is not included in our plot. X ticks from 1 to 8, meaning that 1 to 8 are labeled as x on x axis. And same thing for y limit and y ticks. And that's it guys. This is how you make a stem plot in Matplotlib.